This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Geo top-up balance for calls. First, understand that your Geo account typically has two main balances: your primary plan benefits and your top-up balance. The top-up balance is essentially a monetary value added to your account, separate from any unlimited calling or data packs. It's primarily used for services not covered by your main plan, such as international calls or calls after your plan's voice limit is exhausted. To check your Geo balance, you have a couple of easy options. You can dial the UST code 1299 from your Geo number to receive an SMS with your current plan details and balance. Alternatively, the My Geo app provides a comprehensive overview. Open the app, navigate to the My Account section, and you will see your main plan benefits, remaining data, and any available top-up balance clearly displayed. This helps you keep track of your usage. Using your top-up balance for calls is straightforward once your primary plan's voice benefits are depleted or for services not included. When you make a call that falls outside your active plan, Geo automatically deducts the charges from your available top-up balance. For instance, if your plan offers 100 minutes of voice calls and you exceed this, subsequent calls will be charged from your top-up. There's no manual activation needed. The system handles it seamlessly. It's important to be aware of the per-minute call rates when utilizing your top-up balance, as these can vary. Typically, domestic calls might be charged at around 6 pays per second or 36 pays per minute, though rates can change. Always monitor your usage through the My Geo app to avoid unexpected deductions. Consider recharging with a suitable voice plan if you anticipate frequent calls, ensuring you get the best value for your communication needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.